Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Find a quiet area to complete the hearing test. Choose if you prefer to use your device speakers or headphones. Headphones will provide you with more accurate results, and unlike device speakers, will test your right and left ears individually. Make sure the volume is on and set at a comfortable level.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Early signs of hearing loss include difficulty hearing other people clearly and misunderstanding what they say, especially in noisy places. Asking people to repeat themselves. Listening to music or watching TV with the volume higher than other people need.
Take our lead.
With plugged ears, your eustachian tubes, which run between your middle ear and the back of your nose, become obstructed. You may experience a feeling of fullness or pressure in your ears. You may also have ear pain, dizziness and muffled hearing. As swelling from the cold subsides, the obstruction usually resolves.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cajeput essential oil. Some believers of natural treatment suggest Cajeput essential oil can reverse hearing loss naturally. Massage a few drops of Cajeput essential oil behind and in front of your ears to improve your ability to hear.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.